Hi, Mike with AllBrite Pressure Washing and More. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, we're a pressure washing company located in Southeast North Carolina. On today's job, we're cleaning a bird bath that's 40 years old. First, I need to remove all the water from the bath using a sludge sucker. When I get up to the top here, I want to be really careful. Notice the brick, it's holding the statue down. If I'm not careful, if this thing knocks over, it's irreplaceable. Next, I'm going to put some gloves on and get these wet leaves out of here. The last bird bath we cleaned, we found a huge frog in the bottom of it. Check it out in one of our other videos. Once I get all these leaves out, I want to get the remaining water out so my soft wash is a little more effective. Okay, now that I've got all my water and leaves out, I'm just going to put a little bit of pressure on there and see if I can clean it up a little bit before soft washing. The outer edge cleans up pretty well, but you can see there's some deep organic stains on this border. During the cleaning, I found out that these are removable, so I want to take them off and put them on this aluminum walkboard. Again, I need to be really careful because if one of these pieces break, this thing's 40 years old and there are no replacement pieces. Oh, need to be careful there. Alright, I'm going to clean these up a little bit, but I don't want to soft wash them on this walkboard, so I'm going to put them back on the bird bath and do it. I clean it up pretty well, but you can still see some heavy stains on there, and this algae inside the bath is not going to go away without a good soft wash. We'll probably use about a 50-50 mix in a pump-up sprayer, and that should take all that organic stuff off. Right as we were starting to soft wash, it started downpouring, so I missed that on film. But here is the end result. It turned out great and our customer was really happy. Thanks for checking out our video and consider subscribing to see more pressure washing transformations. We'll see you on the next one.